GSG presents White Ink Wednesday.
I'm Mark Sudonik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today I want to talk to you about a cost-effective way of using masking tape. Here at GSG, we have an economically priced masking tape that comes in a variety of sizes. You have a 3/4 inch, which is great for taping off registration marks, little pinholes, something like that on the screen, all the way up to a 3-inch. What I do is I use the 3-inch when I'm doing some testing. I'm testing some colors, or I'm testing inks, or doing any type of test print, and I don't want to go through and have to use my split liner tape or anything like that. I want a really quick way to actually tape up a screen. Another great advantage to the masking tape is it has a very low tack adhesive on it, so when you put it onto the screen, it's not going to leave any sticky residue onto your actual screen frame that's then going to end up attracting ink and chemical and getting on the blanket of your exposure unit. Personally, I wouldn't recommend using masking tape for long print runs if you're doing several hundred or several thousand shirts, because masking tape is actually absorbent and it'll pull the plasticizers out of your ink, and it'll actually start pulling out the moisture and water-based ink also. But as far as doing test prints, quick little short runs, it's definitely the way to go. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com, follow us on social media, and we'll see you next time.